of Filipino people telling that they are poor. And that is very harmful. That is very alarming.
Has driven human advancement. However, how can societies recognize when the pursuit of wealth begins to harm humanity?
That is a very nice question. Indeed, it is undeniable, as we can see, that because of our ambition to advance economically, we have thrived for years. However, as we can see, there are still consequences of what are we aiming to do. It says here that economic ambition has driven human advancement, which is totally right. So how can society recognize when the pursuit of wealth becomes harmful to humanity? Let us focus on the smallest particles. Here in the country of the Philippines, it is undeniable that from the previous administration, from Emilio Aguinaldo, the first president of the Republic of the Philippines, to this day, the current president, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, we, the Filipino people, have been doing our best to thrive economically. However, there's this very small detail that I saw, and that is, there is still a larger portion or percent of Filipino people telling that they are poor. And that is very harmful. That is very alarming. Because that is where we have proven that there are still things that this country needs to consider. There are still many things that our leaders need to think about. Because if we are really advancing economically, if the ratings and the service says we are growing economically, then why is the number of the poorest Filipino people is still also growing? That is when it becomes harmful. Because we are not seeing the real effect of this advancement that we are aiming in the smallest particles of the society. And so, I believe that our government, the leaders of today, should take into account that there is nothing wrong of being ambitious when it comes to advancement. There is nothing wrong of being ambitious when it comes to economic growth. But the real question is, do the Filipino people, especially the poor, really feel the